What makes learning on Alison a great experience? Not only is it free, but it is also extremely simple. Let's start by going to alison.com. You are now on the landing page. Here, you can create a new account by clicking on Sign Up. Enter your name, email ID, and password here. Or you can choose to log in through one of these options. If you wish to log in to an existing account, just click here. You can either log in by entering your email ID and password, or you could log in using one of these accounts. Now, let's say you choose to log in via your Google account. Once you do, you will be directed to your dashboard. Now, to browse through courses, click here. There are thousands to choose from. Too much? Don't worry. You can always filter your search according to subject groups. As an example, let's choose a certificate course by clicking here. And let's filter the search down to, let's say, sales and marketing. If you scroll down, you can go through different courses that are available. Oh, this course seems to be interesting for learning sales and negotiations. Let's click on More Information to see what this course is all about. That seems interesting. Let's begin. Some courses have videos, and some have presentations. This course is a video course, and after you finish a module, you'll find an assessment to test your knowledge. Once the course is complete, you can go to your dashboard by clicking on your profile icon here. You'll be able to find all your completed courses here. And now, if you wish to, you can purchase your certificate from here. On the left-hand side, you will find a sample certificate. On the right, you will have the option to purchase it. There are 3 types of certificates: digital, hard copy, and framed. Choose the one that suits you the best, and then you can use your credit or debit card to pay for it. You can also use PayPal, or make a simple bank transfer. Once you are done with your purchase, and depending on the kind of certificate you choose, your certificate will be emailed or shipped to you. And now you can go back to exploring something else, whether it's another course, checking your mental well-being, exploring your strengths, creating a public profile, discovering careers, or building your resume. Because on Alison, learning is only the beginning. It's time to empower yourself.